Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the motor in your Dyson DC19 vacuum cleaner can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Tools required: Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, Torx screwdriver, soft brush or cloth for cleaning. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Start by finding a clean, well-lit workspace. Lay down a cloth to protect your vacuum and ensure you keep all screws organized. Step 2. Disassemble the vacuum. Begin by removing the dust canister from the top of the Dyson DC19. Press the button to release it and set it aside. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the top cover in place. There are typically 4 screws, keep them in a safe place. Step 3. Remove the motor housing. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top cover off. You'll find the motor housing secured with additional screws. Carefully remove these screws using the Torx screwdriver. If you're not comfortable with this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, should you need assistance. Step 4. Disconnect the old motor. With the motor housing released, you can now see the motor. Disconnect the electrical connector carefully. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it loose gently. Take note of how the motor is positioned for reinstallation. If your vacuum is particularly dirty, use a soft brush or cloth to clean the area around the motor before proceeding. Step 5. Replace the motor. Now, take your new motor and align it with the housing. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place securely. If you don't have the tools to do this, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easier for you. Step 6. Reassemble the vacuum. Once the new motor is in place, carefully reattach the motor housing using the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened securely to avoid any future issues. After securing the motor, place the top cover back on and screw it in place. Finally, reattach the dust canister. Step 7. Testing your vacuum. Before you consider the job done, plug in your Dyson DC19 and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure that it operates smoothly. If it doesn't work as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. By following these steps, you should have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson DC19 vacuum cleaner. If you encounter any difficulties, just remember we're here to help with no calls, no travel required. Simply contact us for further assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.